In the interim, ladies and gentlemen, more information is coming in on the Yes Bank case. The Yes Bank co-founder Rana Kapoor is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate at its headquarters in Delhi in connection with Anil Ambani case. Officials are now interrogating the Yes Bank co-founder Rana Kapoor in the massive thousands of crores worth of Anil Ambani scam which has been on the Enforcement Directorate's radar. This is the first time now that the Yes Bank authorities are also now being questioned in the ED case. This comes just 1 week after Anil Ambani's son was also named in one of the complaints by the Enforcement Directorate on this case. My senior colleague Shavan Sen joins us live on the broadcast with more details on this story. Shavan, what's the latest now that Rana Kapoor is also being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate?
Well, this all stems from the initial FIR that was registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the alleged bank fraud scam. The allegation that has been leveled against Anil Ambani and linked companies is that during the period of 2017 and 2019, the first tranche of loan actually came in from Yes Bank. Along with that, there are several other banks, a consortium of banks that had given loan to Anil Ambani linked companies. And in fact, it turns out that over a period of time, it became a non-performing asset. And the reason why Rana Kapoor is essentially being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate is because the agency suspects that there was a quid pro quo. The very fact that the companies that actually got loan from Yes Bank had absolutely poor financials. But despite that, loans were granted by Rana Kapoor's, at that point in time, Rana Kapoor was essentially leading Yes Bank and loans were being provided. They suspect that this was a quid pro quo, and the very fact that the loan that was received by Anil Ambani linked companies, the ADAJ, in fact, these are companies which effectively diverted the loan amount that came in. It turns out that related parties, related companies were basically used to funnel the funds that came in, and it wasn't essentially used for the very purposes for which the loan was sought for.
Thank you so much, Shavan, for bringing us those details. Also tell us about the significance now, as the Anil Ambani case has also seen in the recent weeks and months multiple attachments of properties as well, and now that Rana Kapoor is also being questioned, these are fast-moving developments in the case. Can we expect any arrests on the horizon in the interim? All right, that's the latest coming in on that case, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on to more breaking news details that we are tracking. This is an international update coming in from Syria, where 2 US Army soldiers and a US civilian interpreter were killed in an ambush in central Syria on December 13th in an attack attributed to a lone gunman believed to be linked to the ISIS. Now, this attack occurred near Palmyra during a joint patrol with Syrian forces, as both were ongoing during a counter-terrorist ISIS operation in the region. 3 other American soldiers and several Syrian security personnel were also wounded in this. The gunman was killed at the scene by the partner forces. Watch this detailed report on what exactly is ongoing in Syria between the ISIS and the US forces.